Hello and welcome. This is Cara and I am super excited. I have another kit that will be available well, as soon as this video is up. Yay! And I was struggling with naming this kit, so I asked the group, my Facebook group, if they could help name it. And I was thinking, oh, maybe a few people, 5 or 6 people who are sitting around on a Sunday saying, yeah, I'll chime in. No, there were over 130 ideas. So then I was like, oh my gosh, now what am I going to do? How do I pick? How do I pick a name? So what I did is I enlisted my family. I called my mom and her and I chatted about the names over the phone, and then at dinner last night my family and I went through all the names, and then we narrowed them down, and then my daughter being the organized one, we then did a ranking system. It was a whole thing, and then we narrowed it down, and the winner is Blushing Blooms. And so Lisa, I cannot pronounce your last name, oh man, I hope I didn't mess that up. But anyway, I will message you. Lisa will be getting this kit for free. Yay! And I want to just thank everyone for participating. I was really, really excited to see all the names and all these great ideas. Pretty in Pink kept coming up, and that was the only thing that I had in my head, and it was fun to see that other people had that also. So anyway, thank you for your participation. And now let's see the new kit. So, Blushing Blooms. Here's the first one. It's very mixed media-ish with some gesso and some stitching. Make sure I'm in frame, because I'm still getting used. Oh, there we go. I need to come this way. All right, sorry. So there's some stitching and some stamped images. And then more frames. This one could be spring. This one could be birthday, Mother's Day, just for loving pink. It's a very feminine kit. It's very, I would say, kind of shabby chic as well. There's that one. And then we go to a more muted pink with this really big butterfly. I think the Tim Holtz large butterfly die was in my brain when I made this one. He has a similar die cut that is a newly released. And then here, I feel like I should stand. This one, I just love this type. And then we have a frame down here. It's gonna be a really fun journal page. And there's this one. I like this wallpaper design with pretty pink flowers. And then I'm gonna call it a cabochon, but that's not the name. What's the name? Oh, my brain, I tell you. And then there's some script writing and birds. And then here's some pink tulips and yellow, more frames, more sort of mixed media in the back. And then this one is the trinket page. It can be a background page. And there's some little bits, trinkety bits in the back with some definitions. And here's another plain background in pink with some text. And this one with lines and butterflies. And then we have a cream version with text. And then a cream version with the type. I just love that type. And then here are some large tags. And then 3 more with the brighter, darker pinks, however you want to say it. And then here they are in the smaller version, so you get the 6. And some ephemera. Since I use lots of frames, I wanted to make sure to have frames. And then these buttons, you can use a 1-inch punch. 1-inch, well, let me try that again. 1-inch punch, and you can punch those out. And then here's some more a little butterfly, a lock, and a key. So it's, I think, 18 pages, 2 ephemera, 3 tag pages, 4 background sheets. This one could be a 5th if you want to think of it that way, or a journal page. And then there's, I think, 8 journal pages. So yeah, lots of fun pages to work with in the Blushing Blooms kit. This will be listed in my Etsy, and as always, the first, what is it? What is today, Monday? I think through the weekend, because I also have another kit coming out next week. I've been a busy girl. So I think we'll have this kit 50% off through Sunday. So if you would like to get it, it would be a great time to grab it. All right, and as always, I would love to see any pictures or journals that you make, so you can either tag me, you know, hashtag CaraBrandonCreations, or join the Facebook group, Cara Brandon and Friends, or, you know, send me an email. I would just love to see how you are using the kits and your beautiful creations. All right, have a wonderful day. Thanks, and have a crafty day. Bye-bye.